artificial intelligence generated arts, basically AI generated arts. Is this the future? We don't know yet. It's same time scary as well as really exciting. So today in this video, it's not about any tutorials or plugins or scripts. It's a quick video about AI generated arts and how to create and from where we will create the art. So Midjourney is the platform where we can create AI generated arts. So basically, in simple terms, what it does is we give the prompts from our imagination to the website, and according to the prompts, it delivers back the AI in the form of AI generated arts. So let's see. So this is the home page of midjourney.com. So first, what you have to do is you have to click sign in with Discord. So first you have to create a Discord account, and once you have created a Discord account, come back to Midjourney and click join the beta. So once you get inside, so this is the interface of how it looks. So basically you can see left side there is so many chat rooms here, like in old days how Yahoo and Google Gtalk chat rooms are. So you can see many chat rooms here. So as we are a beginner, so there is a newcomers room. So get inside one of the newcomers room. So what we can see here is the different artworks of different people are here. So you can see, for example, butterfly nebula in space, photorealistic Unreal Engine. So that is a prompt given by one of the newcomer user here, and this is a result which is according to the prompt. And let's take another example: a tall boy dancing with a short girl in the rain on street. So that is the result. Imagine how cool it is. How cool this is. So basically, it's very simple. So let's create our own artwork. So at the below there is a prompt tab. So what to do? Click slash, type imagine, then there comes prompt. Just click enter. So now let's think what comes in our imagination, what comes in our mind. Let's say uh, people traveling to wormhole in future. Uh, you can add more details also, like realistic image or cartoonistic, which style you need, like retro or black and white. So I will type here like a realistic. I need a realistic art here. According to that, the AI will calculate and give the exact closest to the prompt what we type. Click enter after typing our prompt. So you can see that somewhere it will be generating. Yeah. So what we can see here is my image is getting generated here. So we can see how many percent is it has been processed. So it's now 21% processed, 30%. So once it reach 100%, we will get the proper image of how it looks. So what we can see first, it gives four different image variations of our prompt, and let's wait for it how it looks. Wow, it's just 60% and it's just 60%, and already I'm excited to see my image. Oh wow. Okay, so once it processes 100%, it will disappear from the current place where it was. So it will be there going below, because after that there will be many requesters as per other users. So once it completes, only we will get. So it will be like it's like a queue, like we are in the queue. So once their images are processed, only our image will come. So we will go below somewhere, it will be formed. See, it's somebody's prompt, the last seconds of humanity. How cool it is, really great images they are giving. So let's go to see our images. Meanwhile, you can check the images of other people too. Some will be really interesting, some will be like we can basically my imagination is very conservative right now, so I can improve my imagination skills also by looking other people's prompts. So let's see where my art is. Yeah, so that's my image. So people traveling to wormhole in future. So that's how it looks. Wow, so cool it is. So I personally like the fourth image, I guess. So it gives what I thought in my mind. So once our image has been generated, there are two rows you can see, one of U1, U2, U3, U4, and one of V1, V2, V3, V4. So what this means is U1 means U stands for upscale and V stands for variations. Suppose I can say I loved the fourth image of mine. So I love personally the fourth image. So I need a variation of my fourth image. So V4 is the so I need to click V4 so it gives different variations for the fourth image. So I will press V4 and let's wait for the result. So again you should go down, scroll down, and it'll be found somewhere below. Yeah, so that is my different variations. So it will be slight variations, I guess, like what I tried till now. I got the very minor adjustments and fine tunings they have done. So, if you ask me which one I liked, I think again I will go for the fourth image, I guess. Or basically all of the images I loved it. So once you loved any of the images, you can click U4. You can click U4, like upscale the size of the image. Yeah. So this is the upscaled version of the image. People traveling to the wormhole, and that's really cool. And so the another thing we can see is like once you created your images, uh, you can go into your Midjourney page and in your home page you can see the images, what all images we had created, what all trials we had did, all of the images we can see in our profile. So these are the images which I have tried it out. So basically first few images will be of free version. So after that you will be purchasing the subscription. The purchasing amount is like $10 per month and $30 per for unlimited images. For $10 you can only get to 200 images, and for $30 you can get unlimited images. So I had purchased a $10 subscription for now, and I can see all my artworks in my gallery. So the one thing is you cannot delete any of the artworks which you have created, and your artworks can be visible to everyone also. So currently I have zero following, so people can, if somebody striked an image of my artwork. So personally I like this Baroque lady statue which I have created. So some images can go really crazy and viral, and people can start following and see my works and also. And one more thing you can see is you can go to community feed and you can see a really nice trending artworks of the people you can generate it. So another one thing you can see is can copy the command of the image which they had used. The details we can copy them. For example, global illumination, physically based rendering, photoreal, small details, intricate. So what you have to do, click these three dots, copy. You have to click copy command. Go back to our prompt space, click slash, click imagine, enter. So copy paste. So we had got GI global illumination photo with like what all details that user has been. See, as I mentioned before, like it had mentioned the aspect ratio 2 is to 3. I can convert it into 16 is to 9, and that is the aspect ratio I am mentioning here, and Q is the quality. So basically the normal images which we will be getting it will be in Q1, and here will be typing Q2. Mind one thing, you should press space after entering A, R and Q. It needs to be There need to be a space in between, otherwise the image will not be generated. It will show as an error. So with these settings, with these terms which he had mentioned, so I will change Baroque pinball machine into Baroque ancient classical standing clock. Standing clock. So let's see what result we can get it. Quickly, how to understand your prompt. It will be indicated by a slight orange tinge, like a orange bar. Like we can understand that it's our work, so that we can easily identify. So our image is been generating. So let's see the result, how it looks. So our image is 100% processed, and I have no words to describe it. If this is not crazy, what it is, man? Oh my God, look at this. So let me go to my, so see, this is the Baroque pinboard machine, and what we did, we just took the keywords which that user has used as a prompt, and we just copied the prompt here, and we just we just changed the item what it is. We made into a clock from the pinboard machine, and man, I'm really surprised by the result. I basically liked all four of the images. So guys, you also go into the website, create an account, and try these things. And if you are not trying these things, then what you will try? As a 3D visualizer, if you want to create some free time visualization stuff for yourselves, instead of thinking so many ideas and going to Google, and just imagine what you want to do and just give it as a prompt, and you will get a conceptual idea of what you have to do, and make variations and try different stuffs and create a 3D visualization render as an artist. So that's it about today's video. I hope you really like this video, and I was a newbie in this website, so if I missed out anything and if I had pointed out any mistakes, please let me know so that I can correct it out myself. And if you're liking my videos, like my videos, subscribe, feedbacks and comments, and I will come in my next video. Thank you.